So, good morning, class 12. Today our topic is again interest on loan, and we are going to solve the question number 12. That is, Lata and Mamta are partners with capital of 3 lakh and 2 lakh. Okay, so this we have to do today. Okay, so in this question, what is being asked? Lata and Mamta are partners with capital of 3 lakh and 2 lakh respectively, sharing profit on as Lata 70% and Mamta 30%. During the year ended 31st March 2016, they earned a profit of 2,26,440 before allowing interest on partners loan. See, interest on partners loan before allowing. So interest on capital is to be allowed 7%. Salary, Lata to get a salary 2,500. Interest on Mamta's loan account of 80,000 for the whole year. So interest on drawing of partners 8% per annum, drawings being Lata 36 and Mamta 48,000. 1 by 10 of the distributable profit should be transferred to general reserve. Okay. And the distributable, the earned a profit is given 2,26,440. So let's start with the question. First of all, we can see that here interest on loan is not being allowed. And where we have to show the interest on loan we have to show in the profit and loss account, right? In previous question, we have learned this, that interest on loan we have to show in profit and loss account, right? So that means the profit is given. That is not an adjusted profit because interest on loan is not being given, right? So first of all, we have to adjust this interest on loan in which account? In profit and loss account. Profit and loss account में पहले हम उसे adjust करेंगे and then we have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Clear? So first of all, we have to prepare profit and loss account. So let's start with profit and loss account. Interest on loan in your question, it is given 48,000 for whole year. Sorry, 80,000 for whole year, right? That means this interest and rate of interest on loan is not given in the question. So as per rule, we have learned that if interest will not be given, then how much we have to calculate? We have to calculate it of 6%, right? 6%. So the 48,000, that is for 48,000, we have to calculate how much? Tell me. 48,000, 80,000 is given loan, and in absence of any information about rate, we have to calculate the interest as per 6%. So 80,000 into 6 by 100. How much it will be? 4,800. Okay. So 4,800 will be interest on loan. Interest on loan. Whose loan? Mamta's loan. So that we have to write here. To interest on Mamta's loan. That is 4,800. Okay, that is 4,800. And the profit is given in your question. That is the profit before interest is 2,26,440. So by profit before interest is 2,26,440. 2,26,440. Now what we have to do? We have to take out the balance. And then balance, we will do the balance and then we'll get 2,21,640. 2,21,640. Okay. So this profit will be transferred to which account? The profit will be transferred to the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. Come on, do it fast. So after preparing profit and loss account, now we are ready to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. So first of all, we will transfer the profit which we have got in profit and loss account, that is 2,21,640. So by profit and loss account, being profit 2,21,640. Okay, 2,21,640. Now what we have to do? We have to take out the interest on capital. So interest on capital, the capital is given 3 lakh and 2 lakh. So interest on capital will be 7%. So calculate it fast. 3 lakh into 7%, that will be 21,000. And 2 lakh 7%, that will be 14,000. Okay, so interest on capital. How much amount is given? That is 21,000 and 14,000. Okay, so this will be interest on capital. And in the question, it is given late to get us Lata to get a salary of 2,500 per month. See, here it is given that 2,500 per month. So we have to multiply it by 12. Okay, for the whole year, we have to write in the profit and loss appropriation. So salary will be written 30,000. Okay. Now, interest on drawings of partner at 8% per annum, drawing being Lata 36,000 and Mamta 48,000. See children, यहाँ पे आपको ड्राइंग्स कैलकुलेट करना है और कैसे करना है, क्योंकि इसमें पीरियड नहीं दिया हुआ है कि कितने पीरियड के लिए उसने ड्राइंग की है या कब की है, कब से स्टार्ट किया है तो करना. So I told you that if the date is not mentioned, then we have to calculate the drawing for an average period of 6 months. Okay, so drawing will be calculated of 6 months. So drawing is given 36,000 and 48,000. So 8% calculated for 6 months. 36,000 into 8% into 6 by 12. Okay. And 48,000, 36 and 48 to 8%, 6 by 12. Now start calculating and tell me what the amount will come. Yes. Tell fast. Yes. Ilata's capital will be
First one. 1440.
1440, right? 1440, and Mamta's interest on drawing will be 1920. Okay, this will be of Lata and this will be of Mamta, and the total will be 3360. Okay, now after this, what we have to do, we have to distribute the means we have to calculate the general reserve, right? In the last point, fifth point, it is given that 1/10th of the distributable profit should be transferred to the general reserve. So distributable profit, that means इसमें से इसको बैलेंस करने के बाद जो अमाउंट आएगी वो हमारा डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट होता है, यानी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेबल प्रॉफिट होता है. तो उस प्रॉफिट में से हमें क्या करना है, 10% रिजर्व रखना है. ठीक है, 10% विल बी गोज टू द रिजर्व अकाउंट. सो हाउ मच डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेबल प्रॉफिट विल बी देयर? 2,21,000 plus 3,360, that will come 2,25,000, right? 2,25,000. And from this 2,25,000, what we have to deduct? We have to deduct 35,000, and then we have to deduct 30,000. So 65,000 we have to deduct. So 65,000 we will deduct, and after deducting 65,000, what we'll get? We'll get 1,60,000. Okay, and from this 1,60,000, we have to distribute 1/10 to reserve account. So we have to do it 1/10, and that will come 16,000, and this 16,000 will be goes to the reserve account. So to general reserve we have to write. That is 16,000. Okay. Now again, after calculating general reserve, after putting the amount in reserve, now we have to distribute the profit among the partners. So we have to deduct it also from 2,25,000. 2,25,000 deducted 35, 30 means 65,000 plus 16,000. Then we'll get how much? We'll get 1,44,000. 1,44,000. Now in question it is given that 70% will be taken by Lata and 30% will be taken by Mamta. So the 70% of this amount will be taken by Lata, and the 70%, the 30% of this amount will be taken by Mamta. Now everybody, you have to calculate it and tell me what will be the profit of Lata and what will be the profit of Mamta. So after distributing, we came to know that the Lata's capital will be 1,08,000 and Mamta's capital will be 43,200. Okay. The profit sharing ratio was 70% and 30%. So 70% will be 1,08,000 and 30% will be 43,000 to 43,200. Okay. Come on, do this question fast, children. Thank you.